ALAB Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Look, I'm the only person in this space with 40,000 videos made. You can check it all out. It's taken me 5 years, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And when I'm telling you I have 40,000 videos, that's all the proof. It's all on my YouTube channel, not just yapping just to yap. I actually have the proof, and I've been doing this for 5 years. And then ultimately, you can see proof that I caught this thing out when it was 30 bucks in a video, right? This video was made 8 months back, 30th of August. It was sitting at 41 bucks at the time, and all I look to do is take it to like 50, right? And that did happen, so that did deliver. And then I just milked it on 3 different separate occasions, and since now we're here, we went as much as, you know, from 40 to 140. Such a great call out, you know, that's a lot. And in this particular instance, I'm just still looking to double down. When the price is marking up at such trending, the only thing that I'll do is buy more as long as the price does pull down and it shows me that shift. So how's this going to look like? Well, only if I see it pulling down and giving me some sort of a double break, then and only then I'm going to be buying. Other than that, it's pure noise. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month for that indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye.